Hello, welcome to the Power BI DAX tutorial series. In this video, we are going to see how to calculate the sum of maximum values based on the other column. If we see this image, then we have two columns over here, customer column and weight column. We want to add the sum of maximum value corresponding to the unique values of customer column. Here we have maximum value for A, that is 5, for B, that is 10, for C, that is 15, and for D, that is 20. We want to add all these values to get the final output as 50. To arrive at the final output in Power BI DAX, we are going to use SUMX and MAX function in Power BI. So let's do this in Power BI. The first step would be to get the dataset. I am importing the dataset that is kept in the Excel format. This sheet over here, loading it. We can see that we have this dataset over here, customer segment column and weight column. Alright. The next step would be to write a measure that stores the maximum value, max value of weight for each customer segment. That would be equal to max of weight column. And let's check whether we have got the right output or not. I am using this table visual over here. Drag this customer segment in the values and then this measure in this. Now you can see that here we have got this output over here. For A we have 5, B 10, for C we have 15, and for D we have 20. This total is the maximum of all these four values and not the sum of these values. So basically this is not giving the right information. So I will quickly turn off the total for this visual. Alright, now the next task would be to write another measure that sum the max value of weight corresponding to each customer segment. That should be equal to SUMX. We will use SUMX function because SUMX is an iteration function that iterates over row and returns the sum of an expression that is evaluated for each row in a table. In the table, we are going to provide distinct values of customer segment. Distinct of data customer segment will give a complete table, and in the expression we are going to pass the measure that we wrote earlier and close this. This measure is completed over here. Now we will check the final output what we are getting. For that I am using this card visual, and let's drag this one, the measure that we wrote just now, and here you can see that we have got the final output as 50, and that exactly matches with the output that we were expecting in this example. Now it's important to note here that we can't use sum instead of SUMX. Why? To know that reason, I have already made a video on sum and SUMX. Please check that video. Link is mentioned on the top of your screen. That's all about this video. Do subscribe to this channel for more Power BI, Python and data science related videos. Thank you.